Hi there, my name's James Holmes and I'm the founder and creator of Markmate, and I'm here to give you a quick guided tour of Markmate and to show you how it can have a positive impact on your teacher's workload and the quality of their feedback and assessments done in their classrooms. Now, Markmate comes in two parts. It's a web application accessed through your computer, and there's also a mobile application that you can download to your phone or to your tablet. And this allows you to mark and assess students' work wherever, be it in the classroom, during the lesson, at home, in a staff room, wherever that might be. So what we're looking at right now is the web application. I've logged in and here are all of my classes. Now these can be set up by you individually, or we do link with existing school data systems like Sims and Pupil Tracker, so we can populate all of those instantly for you. Now I'm going to mark a piece of my English work today, so I'm going to select my English group. Now we're looking at all the pieces of work that I've previously marked, but I want to create a new piece of work. So I need to give that piece of work a title. So this could be writing assessment, it could be a learning objective, it could be the title of the piece of work, it's up to you. And what we can then do is add assessment objectives, things that we're looking for in that piece of work. So I know this week we've been working on using punctuation. So I want to look for their use of punctuation in their writing. And also we've been working on adjectives, use of adjectives. So that's what I'm going to be looking for in their writing. And now we can choose how we want to assess these. And we can use a selection of grades, a score, and all of these can be completely customized by you. So we save that piece of work and then we're ready to start marking. So here's all my students on the left-hand side, and here's where we give the feedback. Now Markmate allows you to break your feedback up into sections to be quite specific. We've got general feedback for you're well done, you've done well kind of comments. And then there's those individual assessment objectives, use of punctuation, I can give a comment for that, and a grading for that. Now these grades can be customized by you, so you can set this up to fit with your school and your systems. So I'll give you an example. Well done today! Exclamation mark. This is a fantastic piece of work and you should be very proud of yourself. Full stop. You've used an amazing range of punctuation in your writing. Full stop. Well done for experimenting with using different types of adjectives in your writing. Full stop. And that's it. I've given Abigail detailed, concise feedback. Obviously, I could have given her a lot more as I was reading through that piece of work. And I've also given a grading for each one of those particular areas. Now, at this point, I can either move on to the next student, or if I wanted to, if I've got a label printer attached to my computer, I could print that feedback instantly out on a label ready to be stuck into that book. Or if I've given a bit more feedback, or this is an older student, maybe GCSE level, I can actually print out an A4 report. And what this will do is format all of my assessments and all of my data onto a PDF document that I can then give to that student. And I can print that out, stick it in their book. Now obviously I could go back through all of my class, mark all the pieces of work and stick in the feedback as I go. The other thing that we've been doing is giving an assessment and a grading for that student. And what that allows us to do is build up a very detailed assessment picture as we're marking pieces of work. So what we're looking at here is my markbook. Every piece of work I mark using Markmate, be it through my phone or through the computer, collects that data and that feedback. So here's all the previous pieces of work I've marked, and there's today's piece. And I can open up each individual piece of work and see the individual assessment criteria that I looked at. And not only can I see the grades that I've given to the students, but if I hover my mouse over, I can actually see all of the individual feedback that I've given to that student for each of those particular areas. So not only does Markmate speed up the marking process, but it also allows you to collect very detailed, specific assessment data as well. Now this was a very quick guided tour. If you'd like to book in a slightly longer session and have a one-to-one demonstration with a member of our staff, we'll be happy to show you Markmate in a lot more detail, having a look at the mobile app as well, and even answer any questions you might have and discuss how Markmate could be used in your school. We do also offer 100% free trials for your entire school, where we will let all of your teachers have accounts. We even provide free staff training to see if this will fit in with you. We're that confident that MarkMate will have a positive impact on your teacher's well-being and your workload, and provide a consistent approach to marking across your entire school. If you have any more questions, book that remote demo and let's have a chat. All the best.